Colors are used very often in Wrapstyler. Some of their default values can be set in the general preferences. To modify a color, just click on it. A pop-up window will open, on which you will find predefined color palettes, as well as 2 user customizable palettes. The colors contained in the global palette will be available for use in every Wrapstyler project, whereas the colors in the project palette will be accessible only in the current file. To select a preset color, simply click on it. The dialog box will close automatically. To add a predefined color to one of the customizable palette, right-click on it and select the palette to which you want to add it. To create or modify a color in one of the custom palettes, right-click on an empty slot or on one of the existing colors and select Edit the color. A color picker opens and allows you to select a new hue. Thanks to the tabs, you can choose between 4 color modes and adjust the colors by using the sliders or by modifying the values. Once you are satisfied with the setting, click on the big Select button. The new color is now displayed in the palette and can be used. By right-clicking on one of the custom palettes, you can either delete a color or empty the palette. This system allows you to create specific color sets depending on the projects or the fields of application.